In today's video, I'm going to teach you using the Checkout and Accounts editor and adding functionality with apps. First, we'll open the exact place where checkout styling lives. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Checkout. In the Configuration section, click Customize for the checkout you want to edit. This opens the Checkout and Accounts editor, which lets you control how your checkout, thank you, and order status pages look and feel. Inside the editor, head to Settings. Start with Logo. Add your logo and adjust its size and alignment so it fits cleanly in the header. A transparent PNG or SVG usually looks crisp against different backgrounds. Keep it large enough to be legible but not so big that it pushes important content down the page. Center alignment feels balanced for most stores, while left alignment can match a traditional brand layout. Next, open Colors and Fonts. Here you can set background colors, font styles, and accent colors that appear across checkout-related pages. Aim for strong color contrast to keep text easy to read and accessible. Match your brand's primary and accent colors, but avoid overly saturated tones that compete with the payment buttons. Choose a font that's simple and readable. Consistent typography helps reduce friction during checkout. You can also add a background image for the checkout page. Subtle, lightweight images work best so they don't distract customers or slow the page. Patterns, soft gradients, or brand textures often look professional behind form fields. If your image includes strong colors, make sure your text and buttons still stand out clearly. After making your changes, click Save. This locks in your visual updates across the checkout, thank you, and order status experiences. Now let's add functionality with apps. Install an app from the Shopify App Store that supports checkout enhancements. Then return to Settings, go to Checkout, and in the Configuration section, click Customize. Depending on the app, you may be able to add it directly to specific areas of the checkout page from this editor. Look for dedicated app areas or blocks where the extension appears. Some apps also include their own customization settings within your Shopify admin. If you need to fine-tune options, open the app's settings there to adjust things like placement, behavior, or design to match the look you just created. That's it. You've updated the visual style in the Checkout and Accounts editor and learned how to extend checkout with apps, keeping the process clean, on-brand, and focused on conversion.